You look beautiful on your wedding day. Are you ready to get married?
Yes.
All right, let the music begin. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I'll take your flowers, miss. You look beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all gathered here today to join this man and this woman in holy matrimony. Sarah Aguilar, do you take Jonathan Bear to be your lawful wedded husband?
I do.
Do you, Jonathan, take Sarah to be your lawful wedded wife?
I do.
I do. Sarah, please repeat after me. I, Sarah Aguilar, take Jonathan
Take Jonathan
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward
for this day forward
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Jonathan, please repeat after me. I, Jonathan, take you, Sarah, to be my lawful wedded wife, to have and to hold,
Ryan.
to have and to hold from this day forward all the days of your life, all the days of my life. Sarah, please take this ring. Put it on Jonathan's finger and repeat after me. With this ring, I thee wed.
I'll be wed.
And Jonathan, please put this ring on Sarah's finger. And repeat after me. I, Jonathan. Oh no. With this ring, I thee wed. Is there anybody here to show just cause why these two people should not be married? Nope, nobody. With the power invested in me and the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride. Now walk down the aisle together. Da 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 da. And they lived happily ever after. The end.